Hey guys, this is Fundo on Pagamo. Tonight on Imbewu, Tusheleni and Nomosa are intrigued by Figile return. They seem as awkward and they can't believe their eyes when they see Figile is returning. And they seem like Figile will be the manager of Msam and roll it. And Figile give the keys Tusheleni and Nomusa to continue on working on Msam. While the gangsters excited when they all learn they keep their job. Nokzola has a plan for how to get Maharaj free. Nokzola please with Sia not go to the police that Maharaj is still alive. While Zagiti and Mazulu found that the angel investor is Samuel Maharaji, and it seems like Noxola wants to be shy after he Mazulu that he knows that Angela investor is Maharaji. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Yeah, for them.